A is for asphalt roller, round, round roller. Roll, 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 smoothing roads with water.
Thumbs up!
B is for backhoe.
Dig, dig, backhoe.
Splash, splash, splash,
Scooping muddy water.
C is for crane truck.
Lift, lift, crane. Up, 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 lifting pipes from water.
D is for dump truck.
Big, big dump truck.
Tip, 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 pouring sand in puddles. E is for excavator. Strong, strong excavator. Dig, 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 making rivers flow. F is for fire truck.
Spray, spray, fire truck.
Push, 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 water everywhere. G is for grader. Long, long grader. Scrape, 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 leveling wet roads. H is for haul truck.
Heavy, heavy haul truck.
Drive, crack, drive, carrying wet rocks. I is for ice road truck.
Careful, careful truck.
Slide, slide, slide on icy water roads.
What else?
J is for jackhammer truck.
Bang, bang, bang.
Crack, 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 breaking wet concrete. K is for knuckle boom crane.
Bend, bend, bend.
Lift, 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 moving pipes from water.
What else?
L is for loader.
Scoop, scoop, loader.
Lift, 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 carrying muddy sand. M is for mixer truck.
Spin, spin, mixer.
Swirl, 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 mixing cement and water. N is for nail gun truck.
Tap, tap, tap.
Fix, 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 building docks by water.
Wide, wide side.
O is for off-road truck.
Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Splash, 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 through muddy puddles. P is for paver.
Lay, lay, lay.
Smooth, 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 making wet roads.
Shiny. What's up?
Q is for quarry truck.
Big, big quarry truck.
Carry, 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 moving wet stones.
Watch out.
R is for roll, roll, roller.
Roll, roll, roll.
Press, 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 flattening puddles.
Watch out.
S is for steamroller.
Slow, slow steamroller.
Roll, roll, roll on wet construction roads.
Water.
T is for tower crane.
Tall, tall crane.
Lift, 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 high above the water.
Water.
U is for utility truck. Fix, 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 drive, 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 helping in the rain.
Water.
V is for vacuum truck.
Suck, suck, suck.
Slurp, 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 cleaning dirty water.
Water.
W is for water truck.
Spray, spray, spray.
Splash, 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 cooling dusty roads.
Water.
X is for X-ray inspection truck.
Check, check, check.
Scan, 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 keeping bridges safe.
Water.
Y is for yarder loader.
Lift, lift, lift.
Move, 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 stacking wet sand.
Water.
Z is for zooming bull